In the animal kingdom, there are predators and warriors. And then, there is the Canada Goose. Faced with a curious Labrador, the goose transforms into an uncompromising force. The dog runs, recognizing an ancient instinct that will never back down. This is the story of what a parent will endure and destroy to keep 3 small eggs alive. Late February, the bonded pair returns to the exact shoreline they have defended for 7 years. When intruders arrive, the male's territorial rage drives them away in a flurry of thrashing water. Aggression shifts to a quiet, rhythmic courtship. Together, they select a raised embankment for their nest, the same site her mother used 14 years ago. He memorizes every predator approach route. The territory is secured. She builds deliberately, pulling down feathers from her own chest to line the nest while he stands guard. When a brutal squall destroys 3 days of work, she makes no sound of distress. She simply begins again in the dark. He holds the perimeter through the storm. By morning, the rebuilt nest is deeper and sealed with mud. Satisfied, she feeds, preparing her body for the immense task ahead. She lays 3 eggs, transforming her body into a furnace maintained at a precise 35 degrees Celsius for nearly a month. She loses 1/3 of her weight. When a red fox approaches at night, the parents unite in a fury of wings and sound, driving the predator into the dark. Inside the shells, heartbeats begin before there is even a brain. On day 25, she hears an insistent rhythm. 2 days later, a hairline crack appears. Breaking free is an act of pure endurance. The first gosling emerges, imprinting instantly on its mother. Over 31 hours, all 3 hatch. The bond with their father is equally absolute. She teaches them to feed. When a red-tailed hawk circles, a single sharp call sends the goslings flat and silent, while he stands ready. A lesson in survival learned at 3 days old. On the fifth day, the perilous march to the water begins. A shallow drainage ditch traps the smallest gosling, but the father uses his back as a ramp to save it. The hawk returns, diving fast. He launches to intercept, forcing the raptor to abort. Reaching the lake, the smallest hesitates until a gentle nudge from the father pushes it forward. In the water, they are finally in their element. The first weeks are a masterclass in survival. They swim in a geometric protective formation while he drills them with alarm calls. When a snapping turtle attacks, she churns the water to drive it away. By week 8, the fledglings look indistinguishable from adults, borrowing a judgment they don't yet fully own. Late June, a wall of rain strikes, and massive waves sweep 2 fledglings into open water. In 15-knot winds, the parents desperately search. She finds one behind a log. He locates the other wedged between boulders. They stand guard through a night of lightning. By dawn, they feed quietly, understanding how quickly life can vanish. July brings flight feathers. After frantic attempts on the water's surface, the smallest juvenile finally achieves 7 seconds of ungraceful flight. Soon, they climb above the tree line, instinctively falling into a V formation. By mid-August, they wear adult plumage. A restless, ancestral urge begins pulling them south. September, the oldest juvenile successfully defends its territory, signaling a shift. The family joins a staging flock of 300 geese. A cold north wind triggers the migration, and the sky fills with a living constellation navigating south via an ancient internal map. Returning in spring, the oldest juvenile breaks away to claim its own territory, assuming the unyielding warrior stance. The parents rebuild on the island. The eye watches, the wing waits, the cycle turns. Thank you for watching the entire film. What do you think of this Canada Goose?